Hello, my name's Lizzie from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 90 3-litre D350 X. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in a Santorini black. To start off with, then you have your Matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 22-inch 5-spoke gloss black finish alloy wheels, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. Along with keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the boot, you can see that you have ample amount of room. You could easily travel with any day-to-day essentials you need to take with you, or a small cabin-sized suitcase. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, which are ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now this vehicle has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done up 5,780 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. Along with DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so that you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with this, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Of course, you also have your 4x4 information, wade sensing and terrain response info. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring that you always stay safe and comfortable no matter what. You also have the adjustable suspension and of course a off-road feature on the 360 view camera. The 3D view allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. As well as this, the front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control so you can individually adjust the temperature. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 90 3-litre D350 X that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.